This is a steam grill brush, so it doesn't have any metal fibers to break off. So I was sent this to review for free. The MSRP on it is $40. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinion remains my own. Alright, so in the box you have the actual brush handle itself with a little plastic protective cover over it. This little extra spare velcro, so there's a piece of velcro arm there, and if that were to come off you could scrape it off and put a spare velcro arm. And it comes with this pad, and this is a steaming pad, so you're supposed to put this in a bucket of water. Your grill has to be hot, and then you move it around your grill and the water turns to steam, and apparently the motion of rubbing and the steam acting as a hot solvent essentially will clean your grill. Now it doesn't have too many instructions. It says connect the aramid fiber cleaning head to the head of the hardware component, preheat the grill to 400 degrees, dip the brush in water, the carbonized residue vaporized in a puff of steam. This product has an extended 1-year warranty. So I don't know if there's this way or that way, so I'm just going to stick it on. Velcro seems to hold pretty well. There's a couple of little kind of notches here which I think can be used for running along the pieces of your grill grating to kind of scrape things. And then there's this pad here. So your grill does have to be up to temperature before this really works. Immerse your brush head in cold water prior to usage. So it's very lightweight. It feels, I believe it's aluminum. It has a rubber grip back here. It's a hollow handle, so hopefully you're not going to have any heat coming up to it. There's a place to hang it. So all in all, it looks pretty solid. So $40 price point. I don't know, it feels more like a $20 grill brush, but maybe this pad is expensive.